What's up, YouTube? Silvercat here, and real quick, I'm going to show you my new rifle I got and the ammo I picked up in the last 2 weeks. First of all, I got this Smith & Wesson MP AR15, and it's a 22. Pretty sweet. Got the little flip-up sights here on the front and back. Now, of course, it's got that, but I got a red dot scope coming in. I got one of those handles that's gonna hook on here. A light's gonna go here. I've just ordered a bunch of stuff for it, to be honest. But pretty nice. I really like it. And we'll get to the ammo. First, we're going to start with last week. Last week, I got these 22 subsonic. I got 4 boxes of Winchester, 2 boxes of CCI mini mags, and I think that might be what I got last week. I think I got one more, but I shot them off in the gun. But this was last week's score, and I'll show you real quick here. I always get my ammo at Walmart. I mean, you can see it here. It's just cheaper. And the same here. All right. And now this week, I didn't get no deal on this first one. In fact, I way overpaid for them. Box of 800. And these come from Uncle Lee's. And they mark up their ammo quite a bit, but with me getting that AR, I just wanted to make sure I had enough to play around with and all that. But like when you get them at Walmart, they usually come out to about 8-9 cents a piece, and these were like, I think they come out to like 16 cents a piece or something like that. Like, it was way too much, but I wanted them. And when I got the AR, I got this. You could buy 1 box of 22s, and this is about all they had left was the hollow point. And it was about $7 for that. But I'm going to pick them up when I can find them, you know. Now they had a sale, many as you want. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of 45 auto, and like I said, I got that and the gun. But the box of 50 come out to $31. That's not bad for a box of 45 auto. And then my real good score is I went to Rural King Friday night got 4 boxes of these 223. You could get 4 boxes of them. And then I turned around and went back Saturday morning right when they first opened and got 4 more boxes of 20. So 160. And as you can see here, I gave $5 a box, so $5 for 20 on the 223s. And if anybody, you know, shoots the 223 or the 5.56, you know how expensive this ammo is. And then there's the other one. Went down there at 7 p.m. on Friday. And then Saturday morning at 7. But that's my score. I think I done pretty good. Love my Smith & Wesson gun. But it's Silver Cat. I want to thank everybody for watching. And till next time, my friends.